Hey everybody, this is Evan with the Grainiac. Today we're making some ribs using an InstantPot and a gravity-fed charcoal smoker. Make sure to scrub. Make it nice and clean. If you guys haven't switched to a plastic cleaning utensil, I would do that now. The old metal ones are outdated. They leave metal filaments behind, and you don't want to bite into one of those and have to end your grill at the hospital. We're putting in some fuel into our starter here. Shake, get all the old ash out into the bin. Then you place your fuel in, get that lit up. Once you light it, you have to pull the slides out, let some air get in there after 4 or 5 minutes. Then you can shut the doors, start up the grill. I've had this gravity smoker for about a year now. Use it all winter, use it in the summer, and so far I really like the quality it puts out. It gets up to 700 degrees in about 10-15 minutes. Like I said, once the fuel gets started, leave the door open, leave the top open, pull out the slides. It needs a little time to get your charcoal or your briquettes running. Nice little hanger for the slides that comes with the grill. Again, top needs to be open. Airflow has to get through there to make sure the charcoal starts up. Leave the door open. My ribs are cooking in the Instapot right now. They take 35 minutes. Have some pork ribs in there and then a natural release on the Instapot. This is probably going to be my new go-to. Takes a lot less time than doing them on the grill for 4 or 5 hours, or 3-2-1 ribs, 3 hours smoking, 2 hours covered, 1 hour resting. These put in an Instapot for 35 minutes. Natural release is about 10, but yeah, 45 minutes. They look like this. You can put some brownings on them if you want to brown them up a little bit. If you haven't seen meat browning, it adds a little bit of flavor, gives it some more color too. But I'm going to be putting some barbecue sauce on this, and once you throw them on the grill, they'll get a little bit better color to them. So put them on a pan. I'm going to put some of your favorite barbecue sauce on them. You can season them before the Instapot or brine them. I think these I just did a sugar, salt, garlic, paprika, chili powder mix on. So I'm going to spread this all on, and I'm going to get that grill up to about 425 because I'm just trying to sear them, get some good flavor in there, seal in the juices. And then once you start up this grill, have the 1050. It's the biggest model that Masterbuilt makes, so I make sure to grill everything I have in the fridge every time I start it up because I don't want to have to start it up and just do one thing. So I can make a few meals at a time. So I'll be throwing on some New York strips at the same time. So here the charcoal is going. I'm going to lock everything down, shut the top, and then the fan will kick on. And the fan is what brings the heat up. I think I go a 425. There we go. So this will take about 10 minutes to get up to 425. Shut the lid. It has sensors. It knows when the lid is shut and it knows when the hopper is open. It won't get up the temperature unless the top is down. And here the ribs are going on. Made sure to leave the volume on so you can hear a little bit of sizzle when these get thrown on. Those are my strips. I bought those from my local restaurant Depot. They were on sale for like $7.25 a pound, everybody. $7.25. I've been seeing them as high as $17.99, $19.99 in the store. So buy in bulk. I made about 4 meals out of New York strips so far, and I still have more left. Ribs are going on. I'm going to do about 3-4 minutes on a side. Just get a little bit of charring on it. I have the sear side up on the grill. You have a sear side and a smoke side on these masterbuilts, which is a nice thing to have. So let's go ahead and give those a flip. Have a nice sear on those. Check out the ribs. Oh yeah, perfect. These are going to be so good. Well, they were good. I already ate them. Let's give that another few minutes. Camera magic. A few minutes later, here we go. I'm going to check them out, give them the poke test. I know the steaks are done. I like those a little rare, medium rare. Ribs again, they're fully cooked in the InstantPot, so you just need to get the color on them that you want. Crisp them up a little bit. And then of course, you know we're going to do the bone test for doneness. If you can pull the bones out of those, that's how I like them. And these were full St. Louis ribs that I cut the baby backs off of. Let's check that out. Nice, moist, perfect. Pull right out of there. These things were so good. So that's how you do an InstantPot grill combo. And if you can get any grill up to temp, they're going to be just as good. Doesn't have to be the master-built smoker, but that's what I have. I really do like it a lot. You're going to see a lot more videos of me using it. So if you like that, like, subscribe, follow, comment. Is there anything else you want to see me cook on this bad boy? I'd love more reasons to use it. Thanks for watching. Talk to you all soon.